A reinforced door stays effective only if you treat maintenance as part of normal home care and not a one-time job. Start by establishing a monthly inspection routine that you can complete in under 10 minutes. Check the frame for splits, rot, or paint failure, and press around the strike plate area for movement, because even small gaps allow levered attack. Run your hand along hinges and feel for play. If you detect wobble, remove the hinge pins and clean and reseat them, then resecure the screws into solid wood or use longer screws that reach the stud. Lubricate lock cylinders, deadbolts, and latch faces with a dry graphite or a silicone spray designed for locks, and avoid heavy oil that attracts grit. Clean and tighten all visible fasteners using a properly sized screwdriver to avoid stripping heads, and back them up with washers when screws pull through older wood. If the reinforcement hardware uses welds or bonded plates, visually inspect weld seams and adhesive joints for cracks. Any breach means replacing that component, because partial fixes reduce protective performance. 3 common mistakes are treating the door like paintwork only, ignoring hinge and strike alignment, and delaying replacement of worn parts. Homeowners often repaint over rot or gaps, which hides structural issues. Open the casing and expose the joint to confirm sound wood and repair or replace compromised framing. People assume locked equals secure and skip checking that the latch engages fully. If a latch hits the strike plate or the door binds, plane the edge slightly or adjust the strike plate until the bolt moves freely into a deep, centered hole. Lastly, leaving a sticking deadbolt or noisy hinge until it fails causes sudden vulnerability. Replace pins, hinges, or the lock cylinder at the first sign of persistent binding rather than waiting for complete failure. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for reinforced door repairs and upgrades, and we connect contractors looking for work with homeowners planning projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and post real-world experiences about maintenance and security.